Hello and welcome to Life Stationeries. I'm Kylie and I wanted to show you something that I'm working on. I have this book and it's going to be my flower book. And all the signatures in here have flowers, and I'm starting to put little pockets in here like I showed you last time. But I found this out, and I wanted to show you this because I absolutely am in love with this hidden pocket. So let me show you what I'm talking about. This is a page out of a book, and here is one pocket. Here is two pockets. Here is, two pockets, three pockets, and four pockets. So let me get little things real fast that I can just tuck in here. We'll do stamps. I have stamps on hand. And I thought, see, they're hidden. But that one, that one is pretty deep. Okay. I just wasn't pushing that baby in there all the way. And these fellas can go here. We'll put her here. There we go. So there is the pockets, and I thought that was kind of neat. This is made out of one piece of paper, and like I said, it's called Hidden Pockets. So I did another one. Should have marked my pages right here. And this one has make sure I didn't move that out of the way. I got to stand up again. This one has the dates on it and has a little bit about the first aid book and everything. And I thought that was kind of neat, Pretty awesome how they made the book and everything. So we have this pocket. And we have this pocket. And we have, whoa, that's a deep pocket. Let's see, bigger stamp. Deep pocket. So, those I thought were pretty neat. I'm putting one in each signature. And I wanted you to come along for the ride for this one. Oof, that's so pretty. I like this color. So, make sure I'm still in view. Right on. And I got some different pages over here. I think I wanted to use this one. This one, oh no, I want to use this one. This one is from 1931. Fabric and dress. Pretty cool. I don't know, pretty cool. This is how I did this. So my paper, I want to line up inside my book. See, if I put it all the way to this page, I got this much room, knowing that it's going to give me room on each side. I don't want to, where do my bigger ones go? I don't want to have one that is over my page. So if it's this big, you want to trim some off so you have room. And it just gives it a nice border. And plus you're not having it lift up. If it's like on the corners, if it's too big like this, you're either going to have lift up from over here or lift up because people are turning pages over here. So there's a thought for you. So let's make this little humdinger up. So what I do is I take the paper and corner to corner, and I'm actually going to fold it. Not going to heavy crease. And then I'm going to fold it in half. And wherever it wants to go. This one wants to go crooked, but I don't want to do that. So we're just going to straighten her up here. Go like that. And open it back up. So we folded it this way to get that line. We open it up. We fold the bottom to the center. Do a little crease, not a huge one. I'm not getting my Cricut you know, this is what I use as my bone folder. It's my Cricut scraper. And I'm not pushing this down to crease it. I'm just doing a little bit of a push on there. Okay, flip it over. Sorry. Flip it over. Take your top to your center as well as you can. I'm not exactly there. That is okay. Open it back up, okay? So it goes like this, but keep this one. And I'm going to take a pair of scissors. I'm going to get closer to you, but in focus. Let's focus there. There we go. And I'm going to take, and not all the way to the end. Do you see where my scissors stop? So I'm not all the way cutting clear across. I'm only cutting a little ways. And I'm making sure my scissors stay straight. See, my scissors crooked there. That's okay. And I'm going to go a little farther there. Okay? So, then you take it and you open it up. There is your hidden pockets. Come on, focus. Focus for us. There's our hidden pockets. Okay? And then what we're going to do, I have art glitter glue, okay, designer glue. I'm going to flip this over, and this is where it gets technical, okay? You take it, your paper, this is how I'm going to glue it down. This is my top, this is my bottom. I am taking this, and I am flipping it straight over. Okay, my buddy. So if you wanted to, you can snip these all the way down so people can see them, but I want them to be hidden. They're hidden pockets. You flip it straight over, okay? And then what I'm going to do is I put my hand here. I was gardening today. Dirty nails from gardening. Dirty nails from gardening. You flip it over and you put your hand on here, okay? Because I'm using my book instead of my glue mat or something soft, because I want to be able to, I know that as long as I'm at this watermark, you guys can see, because I went ahead and sat back down. My glue is clogged. Think we got her. Think we got her. Nope. Okay. And we're going to go this side. We're going to go up. Whoa, don't go off. Don't go off. Don't go off. Try to make it a straight line. Okay, so then, this is where you got to think. You're tucking. Okay? This is a pocket. This is a pocket. This is a pocket. This is a pocket. If it helps you, go from the bottom. Okay? So I'm going to hold up here so you guys can see. Sitting kind of crooked. This is my bottom. Okay? This is the top of this one and the bottom of this one. So I'm going to go clear over here to my glue and clear over here to my glue. Okay? And this is my Elizabeth right here is the top and is the bottom. I'm going to go all the way over right through the end, right through that end. And right here the word by is the top of the fold from and. You see the little gap there? And so right here under fabric and dresses, I'm going to kind of just make a line underneath those, okay? That is going to seal everything up. So the only thing I do now is I flip this over and I just gently, okay, my finger's underneath there. I'm not touching no glue, not spreading no glue. I'm just helping it turn over, and got something on there. That's on my hand. Gluing stuff to my hand. I'm making sure that my line here is straight. Do you see how the glue's bleeding through this paper? It's because this is a wet glue on old antique paper. So, probably better to use like a, that doesn't have the name on it. Like a fabric fix, paper to paper, you know. Let's see. It's for everything. So, wood, paper, everything. So I have this side down. I run my finger over. Run your finger over. That's it. All of our pockets are sealed. So let's go back into our stamps. There's one. There's two.